PanOxyl Acne Foaming Face Wash. Welcome back again to my channel, and you're welcome to yet another skincare product review video. So today I am going to be reviewing one of the strongest acne face wash I have ever reviewed on my channel. This is an acne powerhouse. You can get it without an acne fighting powerhouse, and you can get it without a doctor's prescription. But if you use it the wrong way, it's going to damage your skin barrier. It's going to leave your skin irritated, peeling, itching, and you're not going to like your skin. So in this video I'm going to be introducing you to this acne fighting powerhouse product that you can use to get your skin from a 0 to 100 if you're one of those girlies that suffers from hormonal acne, or you just have this acne breakout from nowhere that you're trying to get rid of once and for all. So guys, the product I'm referring to is the PanOxyl Acne Foaming face wash. It contains 10% benzoyl peroxide. I think there's 20% benzoyl peroxide, but it's not commonly available in the market. And for most people who suffer for acne, this is good enough to kill the bacteria that cause the acne and get their skin get rid of acne, hormonal acne from their skin. So many people give up on using this product because of how strong it is, because it has this tendency to damage their skin, and because they don't know how to use it in a way that prevents their skin from getting damaged, from getting their skin barrier from being damaged. It's a foaming wash that is designed to get rid of acne on your face, on your body, on your chest, right? If you're experiencing all of these and you're looking for a solution, like a product that would work in getting rid of your back acne, your chest acne, and acne on your face, this is one product to try. It's a wash off product, so you apply it on your areas where you are affected by the acne, and then wash it off after some time. So people find that using regular facial washes, especially when they are battling acne, doesn't work, and that's because regular face wash does not contain the active ingredients that would help you fight that acne and get rid of it from your skin. So you need, for that, to fight that kind of acne, you need a treatment product, and that is where this benzoyl peroxide PanOxyl brand comes in. It's going to help you fight the bacteria that cause acne on your skin and get rid of it. Benzoyl peroxide is a treatment cream. It works by introducing oxygen to the bacteria that cause acne on your face, and those bacteria cannot survive in the presence of oxygen. So that is one of the primary action with which it uses to kill bacteria. Also, the strength is high, and so bacteria that cause acne on your face do not stand any chance to survive these active ingredients in this product, and that's why it's recommended for ladies or people that suffer hormonal acne and all those very mean acne breakouts. Another thing I need to mention about this product is that it is extremely drying. Although it contains glycerin to help balance out that drying effect, but I don't think it's actually, the glycerin gets a chance to work, because the percentage and the concentration of the benzoyl peroxide is so high that the glycerin cannot match it. And so most people who use it, who use this product, tend to have experienced damaged and dry skin from using this product over time. If you even have very sensitive skin, from your first usage you would notice that your skin feels very, very dry and stripped of moisture. So what is the best way to use this product if you are a girl or a guy suffering from severe acne breakouts on your face, especially on your back and on your chest? The best way to use this product is to apply it to damp skin. So you want to apply it to when you want to wet your skin. When the skin is damp, right, you apply it, like scrub it all over your face and let it sit for 2 minutes. If you wash it off immediately, it doesn't give the chemicals in the product enough time to fight and get to the bacteria. So that is why you want to leave it to sit on your skin for at least 2 minutes before you rinse and wash it off. Another thing I need to mention about this product is that it can make your skin highly sensitive to the sun. So you cannot be using this product and not use a sunscreen to accompany it in the daytime. So anytime you're using this product, make sure you buy it with a sunscreen, a very good sunscreen that would help protect your skin from being damaged by the sun, because it makes your skin extra sensitive to sunlight. That for some people it causes purging. Purging is that phase or that period in skincare where you start using a product, and instead of it to get to your skin to get better immediately, it goes through a phase where it appears as though your skin condition gets worse, and then before it gets better. So some people experience that purging phase when they use this benzoyl peroxide face wash. So that's one other thing you need to be mindful of if you're using this product. Do not go all in at once and start using heavy quantities of the product in too much frequencies. I don't know if I'm communicating, but what I'm trying to say is that this is not a product you use every day, morning and night, right? You would want to introduce it slowly into your routine. Use it once in a day, right? Skip the next day, try it again once the third day, and then skip the fourth day and use it on the fifth day. That way you introduce it carefully, slowly into your skin. Your skin can adapt to its usage, and you sort of allow your skin to restore some moisture before you apply it again, rather than using it morning and night and every single day. It will strip your skin extremely of moisture and even damage your skin barrier. So you would have acne and still have a damaged skin barrier, a dry skin. It's a mess, trust me. I dealt with that for most part of 2024 and 2025. Damaged, dry, dehydrated skin, and still full of acne. So I've already mentioned all of the pros and the cons of using this product. I don't think I've missed anything. My final verdict on this product, or my overall conclusion about this product, is that it will definitely work for you. If you're suffering from severe acne breakouts, you can use it on your back, on your chest, on your body, everywhere. Just make sure to moisturize and have accompanying hydrating products. Also have a sunscreen that you use to make sure that you're not treating one thing and causing another problem for yourself. Then lastly, if you have inflammatory acne, those big red, very painful ones that you can't even press out the pores, this is one product I definitely recommend that you try. As you can see, I've almost finished using it. Oh, I forgot to mention, this product is a little bit on the high side. I got it for 25,000 naira. If you're lucky, in some shops it goes for as low as 18,000 naira, and then in some places you can get it for 25 to 29,000 naira. But I assure you, if you use this product the right way, applying it to damp skin, letting it sit for at least 2 minutes before washing off, and when you wash off, make sure you wash it off thoroughly with enough water so that you don't leave product residue behind, right? Because it's created as a wash off product so that you don't leave product residue behind, and then you go in with a thick layer of moisturizer, a very good moisturizer, and then you alternate the days, right? Don't use it every day. If you do it that way, you're going to get very good results from using this product, and it will clear out your acne. If you've had any experience with this product, let me know what you think about it in the comments, and what you think about my own experience using this product. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.